Hey guys, the SSJ3 here. We got the birds. He's on the outside of the cage. He's probably the more tamed one. Eat. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing over there? Here. Oh. There he goes. You want to perch on top of the phone like the... Yep. Let's try and walk over to a mirror without him flying off. See? He just perches right on top of the phone. He bit my ear. Close-up of a parakeet. You know, when I always looked at a parakeet, I thought it had three like a normal bird does. But no, it's got two here and two back here. You like to chew on my thumb? I don't know what is so good about my fingers. Alright, but that's going to be it for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.